This next tutorial is on using a program called Adobe Bridge, and this comes with the Adobe Creative Suite. And this is again CS6. I want to thank Steve for reminding me of this nice feature in CS6 Bridge. And what I want to do is rename my images. I do not like 31E, 1711, 13, 14. There are some images that are missing. They're out of sequence. And what I want to do is make this a lot easier to work with inside of Premiere. And I can choose to work with just a few images, but in this example I'm going to work with all of them. So I'm going to go up to Edit, select All, and then come up to this icon called Rename. Actually, it's called Refine. So this icon with these three looks like icons of pages. Click on that and click on Batch Rename. And what I want to do is set my sequence number to be first. So I'm going to say my new file name is going to be sequence number, and it's going to be 3 digits. So what will happen is it will be 001 PNG. And right now it has date and time. I don't want that, so I'm going to hit the minus. I have a duplicate of sequence number. I do not need that, so I'm going to hit minus. And I might be okay with just 001, but I'm going to go put the text. And for the text, you notice that there's an underscore here, which will put a space between the number and the name. And I'll go ahead and call this my project. So if my project is events, I might say MSU events. Or how about I call it audio story. So my name's going to be sequence name and then text. And I'm going to rename them in the same folder. But if I was doing a couple projects, I can copy them to another folder and have names for different projects or different uses. So this is quite useful. Then I'll go ahead and click rename. And voila. Now these are in sequence, and when I bring them into Adobe Premiere, it's going to be a lot easier for me to organize because these are numbered in 3 digits. And you want 3 digits because if you'd only do 2, it would go 0, 1, then it would jump to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and so forth. But with 3 digits, it's going to go up sequentially. So that's how you can do a batch rename of images inside Adobe Bridge CS6.